Before buying an MP3 player for running, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, iDuos U2 MP3 Player. The iDuos U2 caught my eye with its simple USB design and affordable price of $29.97. With a 4-star rating from over 1,200 reviews, it seems to be a favorite among runners. If you want an easy-to-use music player that won't weigh you down, this is worth a serious look. What makes the iDuos U2 great for running is its built-in 8 GB memory, which can hold over 2,600 songs, and the added micro SD card slot for expansion up to 32 GB. This means you can enjoy your favorite tunes without running out of space. Plus, it has a solid 10-hour battery life, so you won't worry about it dying mid-run. The built-in equalizer lets you customize your audio experience, which is perfect for finding the right sound that keeps you motivated. Now here's the bummer. Some users mention that the sound quality isn't as crisp as they hoped. But here's the thing, if you're using it while jogging or at the gym, you might not even notice the difference with all the environmental noise. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, lightweight option for your workouts. Skip this one if you're a hardcore audiophile who demands the highest sound quality. Now, if the iDuos U2's sound quality bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, RUIZ U64GB MP3 Player. Next up is the RUIZ U64GB MP3 Player, priced at $34.99. With a solid 4-star rating and over 5,000 reviews, it's clear that many people trust this brand. If you want a feature-rich device that's perfect for both kids and adults, this one's definitely worth a look. This is crucial for runners who don't want to deal with tangled wires. With 64 GB of internal memory, expandable up to 128 GB, you'll have enough space for thousands of songs. Plus, with 80 hours of playback time on a single charge, you can run for days without needing to plug it in. However, there are some complaints about the Bluetooth connectivity not working with phones or computers, which can be a bit frustrating. But honestly, if you're just using it for music while exercising, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for anyone who wants a user-friendly device that packs a lot of features. Skip this one if you need Bluetooth for connecting to multiple devices at once. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for battery life. Product number 3, RUIZ U-Clip Jam MP3 Player. Now let's talk about the RUIZ U-Clip Jam, priced at $36.99. This one has also got a 4-star rating, but with over 624 reviews, it's another solid contender. If you want a clip-on design that keeps your hands free while running, this is the one to check out. That's perfect for keeping it secure while you're on the move. It also has 64 GB of storage and offers up to 20 hours of playback, which means you can enjoy your music without needing to recharge too often. The sound quality is crisp and immersive, helping keep you motivated during those long runs. Some users have reported that transferring files can be cumbersome if you don't have the right OTG adapter, which can be a hassle. But look, if you're using it primarily for workouts and don't mind the occasional file transfer challenge, it's a great buy. This is perfect for active people needing a lightweight, accessible music option. Skip this if you're looking for something that's super easy to file transfer without any additional accessories. Now, if the transfer issue is a concern for you, the next product might just be the answer. Product number 4, AGPTEK 64GB MP3 Player. Next is the AGPTEK 64GB MP3 Player, priced at $39.99. With a rating of 3.9 stars and around 2,400 reviews, it's well received for sports use. If you want a reliable player that doubles as a fitness tracker, this is worth considering. It also features a pedometer mode that records your running data, which is a nice touch for those who like to track their workouts. With Bluetooth 5.3, you'll enjoy a stable connection, and the 64 GB storage with an option for a 128 GB TF card is fantastic for music lovers. However, some users have mentioned that the Bluetooth doesn't support connections to phones or cars, which can be a downside. But honestly, if you're primarily looking for a device that's focused on music and tracking your workouts, it's still a strong option. This is perfect if you want a multifunctional device that supports both music and fitness tracking. Skip this if you need a player that connects to various Bluetooth devices seamlessly. Alright, if tracking your workouts is a priority, the next one might just hit the mark. Product number 5, ODJOI Clip-on Mp3 Player. Finally, we have the ODJOI Clip-on Mp3 Player priced at $35.99. It holds a 4-star rating with around 279 reviews. If you want a touchscreen option that combines ease of use with functionality, this is definitely worth a look. This model features a 2-inch HD touchscreen, making it super easy to navigate your music. It also has Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable connection and a built-in speaker for sharing your music on the go. With 64 GB of memory and the ability to expand via 128 GB microSD card, you won't run out of space anytime soon. Plus, the battery life is impressive at up to 40 hours, meaning it'll last you through multiple runs without needing a recharge. However, some users found the touchscreen a bit too sensitive, which can be annoying while you're moving. But here's the thing, if you don't mind adjusting your grip a little, the touchscreen adds a lot of convenience. This is perfect for those who appreciate a user-friendly interface in their music player. Skip this if you prefer traditional buttons over a touchscreen experience. To wrap it up, we've looked at the iDuos U2 for its simplicity, the RUIZ U64GB for its extensive features, the RUIZ U Clip Jam for its hands-free convenience, the AGPTEK for its fitness tracking, and the ODJOI for its touchscreen interface. Each has its unique advantages, so choose based on what suits your running needs best.